In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot. When you first open Copilot, the main thing you'll notice is the prompt box. This is the central area where you type your questions, instructions, or requests. Think of it as the place where all your interaction with Copilot begins. If you want help writing, researching, brainstorming, summarizing, or generating ideas, this is where you enter your prompt. It's designed to be simple and easy to use, so once you know where it is, you already understand the most important part of the interface. Next, take a look at the prompt box itself. You'll see a plus sign there. Go ahead and click it to show more options. This gives you access to additional features connected to your prompt, and it can be useful when you want to expand what you're doing instead of just typing plain text. If you're exploring the platform for the first time, it's a good idea to click through these options so you become familiar with what's available. You'll also see a drop-down icon nearby. Click that and you'll be able to switch between different Copilot modes. These modes help tailor the kind of response you get depending on what you need. You may see options like Smart, Think Deeper, Study and Learn, and Search. Smart is useful for general, everyday use. Think Deeper is better when you want a more thoughtful or detailed response. Study and Learn can be helpful for explanations and learning-focused tasks, while Search is useful when you want Copilot to focus more on finding information. Choosing the right mode can improve the quality and style of the response you receive. Now move to the top left area of the screen. Here you'll find several icons that help you navigate through Copilot's features. These include the sidebar, New Chat, Library, Tasks, Projects, Discover, Imagine, and Experiment. Each one gives you access to a different part of the experience. For example, New Chat lets you start fresh, while Library and Projects help organize your work. Even if you don't use all of these right away, it's helpful to know where they are so you can grow into the platform over time. Finally, look at the bottom left corner and click your profile. From there, you'll see options such as Settings and Memory. This is where you can manage how Copilot behaves and what it remembers. You'll also find the Sign Out option in this same area. That's the basic layout of Microsoft Copilot, and once you know where these tools are, it becomes much easier to use confidently and efficiently.